to insane speculation, these really deep rabbit holes, and unfortunately it's also led to a lot of bodies. This is, of course, the story of Lady Bird Lake and the Rainy Street Ripper, you can believe it.
Another one, Lady Bird Lake. Just pulled another person out. Minimal details, but it's happened again, guys.
Crime scene and the Travis County Medical Examiner are all on scene at this time. I would like to remind everybody that this is an ongoing investigation being investigated by the Austin Police Department homicide detectives, and they are still in the preliminary stages of the investigation. If anyone has any relevant information to this investigation, we ask that you contact the homicide tip line as at 512-477-3588. Again, that's 512-477-3588. Or you can contact the Austin Police Department Crime Stoppers at 512-472-TIPS. Again, that's 512-472-8477. Does anybody have any questions? All right, I appreciate y'all's time.